So moving on quickly to the state connector. State connector is the second of Flare's two native core protocols. State connector allows deterministic and immutable data from other blockchains to be securely acquired by applications on Flare. This means applications can use data from other blockchains directly on Flare in their smart contract. Furthermore, a specific setting of the state connector allows for data from what we call single source of truth APIs. So any API, essentially, this is the majority of the internet, to be conveyed to Flare for use with smart contracts. This makes it extremely flexible and easy for the system to be extended such that developers can have access to the greatest set of data possible. This allows Flare not only to get data from other blockchains, incredibly important, but also to get data from the internet. So to dig in a tiny bit more on the state connector, State Connector uses a set of independent attestation providers to acquire specific information from these external systems that is requested to be used on Flare. State Connector smart contract then verifies that a suitable level of consensus over this data has been reached across these attestation providers. Once approved, the data is securely reported to the network and available for use in applications on Flare.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.